Just hurry now and grab yours. Side sheets will not just keep on winning. Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be making, I'll be showing you guys a way to make a natural remedy that will keep you in the mood. Okay guys, so in case you are new here, you have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So this natural remedy, they are just simply natural. Okay, they are going to help you, lubricate you, keep you in the mood. It contains powerful antioxidant that every woman needs. It's going to nourish you, refresh you, get rid of toxins. It's going to, in case you're always stressed out due to taking care of the children, at the end of the day you just be so exhausted. This remedy will just energize you. It will keep you in the mood. In fact, you will never get tired. Alright, so if you want to know the ingredients I use in preparing this, if you want to keep side chicks away from your lover, away from your loved ones, you just have to watch this video. If you want to know the right way to take it, the right way to use it for a very effective result, you just have to keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and also share this video to everyone. Let's just quickly go straight into this remedy that will help you. A very sweet remedy. So to make this remedy, you surely need pineapples. Okay, so you have to get a small one or big one depending on how you want it. If you want to produce a large quantity, you just have to get more pineapples. So I'll be making use of this size. This size is just okay for me. Pineapples are very good. They affect how your dandier tastes and smell. If you want to taste very good, you want to smell fresh, you want to smell enticing, like very, very yummy, this will help a lot. It's one of the ingredients I love so much. So if you are a woman and you are taking this, you just have to be sure of a very healthy dandier. It's just like how some foods like garlic and onion and all that affects men fluid. Pineapples are loaded with disease-fighting antioxidants, boost immune system, full of nutrients, grant you quick recovery after surgery. In case you had a CS, this will help to boost the recovery process. This is very important for you to taste and smell very good. Okay, so I'll be cutting it into smaller size, just like this. This is a very yummy food. I love this food so much. So after cutting it like this, I'll be transferring it into a clean bowl. I'll keep it aside. The next ingredient we have here is watermelon. And watermelon is rich in citrulline, which helps to lubricate you, remove dryness. Oh my goodness. You will just be all over in the mood. It works by improving the blood flow to your organs, keeping them fresh, young looking, get rid of sagginess, and be so moist. It's going to get rid of dryness, get rid of stress, all those stress that makes you tired, making you not to feel anything. This watermelon will help a lot to get rid of all those stress. At the end of the day, when you take this drink, guys, this will help so much. In fact, you'll be the one that will be wanting it. Seriously. So I'm going to cut this one also. So I'm going to transfer it into this bowl, into the pineapple. So you have to include with the seed. The seed is very powerful. It's going to boost fertility in case you are looking to conceive. Okay. Aside that, it will as well help to keep you wanting. Always ready for the arts. So you can as well use it for yourself, for your hobby, instead of any other person to be doing it, wanting and longing for what does not belong to them. So this is very, very good. So I'll be transferring it into a blender because I'm going to blend it into a smoothie. I'll be adding a little water to enable me to blend it well. So guys, I'll just go straight and blend it. I'll be right back because I have one other ingredient I'll be adding into it. After blending it, look at it. I'll be transferring it into a glass cup because I want to take 1 full glass right now. So you just transfer it into the glass cup like this. Yeah. This is what you should be taking every day to keep you in the mood. In case you're already in your menopause, this is very good for you. It's going to keep you younger. All those hot flash, dryness, you won't feel them anymore. So this is the last ingredient, honey. I'll be adding honey because honey is a power ingredient. It gives you immediate energy straight away. You can even stay more than 1 hour. Yes, helps revive you, keep you glowing in and out. Even if you don't apply creams, you will just glow from inside. So it's always advisable to take healthy drinks that will help to refresh you from the inside out. It's going to supply immediate strength in case you are tired at the end of the day, taking care of kids, stress in taking care of kids. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of honey. It's going to supply you with adequate nutrients, antioxidants, disease-fighting antioxidants. Yes, it's going to repair you in and out. All those joint pain, waist pain, you won't have it anymore. Every day will just be like your honeymoon. Look at it, guys. So juicy, so yummy. This drink is so refreshing. This is what you need. No side chick will be able to see your loved one. If you have not tried this drink, you just have to grab yours. Grab yours now and make it. These are all natural ingredients. You can see it: pineapple, watermelon, and honey. This will keep you juicy, like seriously. So the remaining one, I'm going to transfer it into a can and store it in the refrigerator. Be taking it every day. This is how you should take this drink. You take it morning and night. Every morning, no matter how stressed out you are, you just take 1 full glass like this. Just bring it out from the refrigerator. Add any quantity you want to drink, then you take it in the morning. At the end of the day, you take 1 full glass cup like this, morning and night. You will see how you look. Your body will look so fresh. Inside you will look so wanting and wanting. In fact, oh my goodness. No side chick will be able to near your loved ones when you take this drink. Especially for you. Women, just take this drink and you see how you will be. Yeah. Alright, so that is it. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So I'll see you guys next time.